What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to another video, Shayla's World. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? While you're at it, hit that like button, comment something nice in the comment section down below. Now let's just straight into this video. So this is a video of me behind the scenes of how I set up to film a YouTube video and like beginner equipment that you can use as a YouTuber or just equipment in general that I use. So this is what my room looks like. My ring light's over here in my bed, so I know you've seen it mostly a lot. If you haven't watched my video before, you haven't seen it. But this is my filming area. This is what most of all my videos consist of you seeing all of this. Especially when I do sit down videos, this is mostly what you see. Kind of a little bit lower because I'm usually sitting in a chair, but this is like the background that you see. So before I like start to film a video, I like make sure my room is like decent. Like all the stuff on my bed can be on my bed, it just gotta be over here. Dang, the ring light's in the way. Well, it can be over here because it's not gonna be seen. But this part right here, all this has to be fixed or like decently made. So that's exactly what I'm about to do.
I know you want me every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my little ways can make you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby, and tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you, I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you more, just slow, just split you in half in my heart. I just wanna love on you, trust in you, honor you, please do the same on your part.
So I just finished making my bed up. I actually really need to make my bed up because I didn't make it up this morning. The next part into filming was setting up to film. I need to get my chair, which is right here, and I like kind of pull it out because it's usually under the desk. And I need to level my ring light kind of with my face a little bit above my face so I can film while sitting down. See, this is too low. I mean, too high. So I brought that down just a little bit, fix it so I can kind of look straight and not wonky. And this is usually my filming setup. So like, what's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? But all this is where I do it at. But now it is time for us to get into our equipment, because that's all the setup that I do. Make my bed up, pull my chair up, film, turn the ring light on, all that. I'm gonna be talking about my ring light, all the equipment I used to use, what I have, what I want, all that. So let's get straight into that portion of the video. For the equipment portion of this video, most of my equipment that I use for YouTube or my phone or electronics, anything, camera, all of this will be in this one drawer. Most of it pertains to like equipment for YouTube. Some of it's junk. So we're gonna start off with tripods that I use. So let's start with the first ever tripod that I got. First ever tripod I got is this one. It's a tabletop tripod, so table level, kind of like face level. Really nothing. This is actually, yeah, my first tripod I got. This is from Walmart, and it's the On brand. It actually works very good. I lost it came with like 3 little pieces, and like the smartphone cradle that it came with, which is this. I don't like these type of cradle things. This tripod was $5. Yeah. Next tripod I have is this one. This is like a vlogging tripod. This is also from the same brand as my first one, On attachment. But this one I like to use like if I'm trying to like film in like awkward areas, like a tree. If I was trying to film outside and like I wanted like a certain angle, and I was like, a tree. This is like movable and stuff, so I could really turn it and like keep it claps together. Well, I don't know how to explain it, but you can like turn it, you can like fit it to hold on to something like this. It holds on to it. The last tripod that I bought, only reason I bought this because I thought I lost this tripod, and I actually found it a while, just like 2 weeks ago. But I thought I lost it, so I had to buy a new one. And I bought this one off of Shein. And I was like, it's not gonna work. But it actually worked. It didn't come with this. It came with another thing. And it was the best tripod mount that I had seen before. But I broke it. We're gonna go into ring lights next. And before we go into ring lights, I'm actually stay on the topic of tripods as well. So, my first ring light I had was, I think my aunt got it for my birthday. And it wasn't big. It was like 10-inch ring light. And this is the tripod that it came with. And the ring light was on here. The ring light was on here, and the tripod, this is the tripod. The tripod doesn't work because you see how it's like coming out every time. That's why I stopped using it. We're back to ring lights. Like I said, that was my first ring light I bought. The second ring light I bought is the one that I'm using now. It is the, it's not new. It's like a brand off of Amazon that sells them. And they were $50. I did make a video about it a while back. But let me say, I wouldn't buy from that brand ever again. That's just my opinion. Go watch the video if you want to know anymore. But this is an 18-inch ring light. Came with 3 settings like it always does. Comes with the little things where you can change the brightness and all that. Comes with a remote control. The tripod is the best. Like, I had to learn how to work it, but the tripod, oh my god, it's like, it's the best tripod. Ring light, I have to still learn how to work. I don't know how to work it. You see how sometimes it like doesn't autofocus? My phone doesn't autofocus with the ring light. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah. So next is what I use to film, like actually film content. So I used to film on my laptop for YouTube videos. I used to film on my track phone. Yeah, track phone for TikToks. Worst quality ever. When I started, I'm just gonna say like that. Worst quality ever. I really hate those videos that I have put out in the past. I use that. I use my laptop. I use my phone. Next thing I got, it was like for 2020 Christmas, my aunt got me a camera. And the camera is this Sony, the Sony W830. This camera, well, this is just the box. The camera is right here. She got me this camera for Christmas, and I started filming on it. It has decent quality, but it's giving that, it gives the quality of like 80s vibes, or not even 80s vibes. It just gives that old vintage record recorder, VCR recording. And now I have my iPhone XR, and the quality is better than anything that I have had. So I definitely will keep filming on this, my phone, until I end up with my dream camera. And for any family members that's watching this, I know I have spent the bank already this year, but I want a Canon GX7 Mark II, or really my dream camera is, no, let me name the 3 top cameras that I want. Canon G7X Mark II, the Canon M50, yeah, the Canon M50 Rebel, or the Canon Rebel T7i. Those are 3 Canon cameras, and the one big like real big dream camera that I want is the Sony ZV-1 camera. We just need to go back to ring lights. So sorry. But my mom got me this small ring light. It's actually supposed to be for my laptop. Like, you're supposed to connect. There's suction cups on the back here to connect to the back of your laptop when you open it up. And you plug it in, USB cord. And the ring light works. And it's actually bright. And that's the only reason why I kept it. Because I was like, I don't need this little thing. But I use this for, like, I have used this for, I used the power charger, plugged it up, and I took it with me to, like, if I'm going out to, like, a restaurant and stuff. Sometimes I like to get pictures of my food, or sometimes I like to take pictures in outfit I wear. And I use this once, and, like, all you do is hold your phone and, like, hold the ring light, because I didn't want to, like, stick these suction cups on the back of my phone. Power chargers. I have 3. Well, really I have 4, and most of them look like this, and only one looks like this. But these come in handy when I'm, like, filming a lot in public. I am filming on my phone, and all the time I'm not near a wall socket, so I do bring my power chargers with me, especially when I'm filming TikToks. I don't know, but when I film TikToks, my phone will be like on 100% and it dies real quick when I'm on TikTok. I could be filming a video, it don't die that quick, but once I get on TikTok, film little TikToks, it dies. I'm like, dang. So I am going to list in my description, like, I know I didn't get this tripod off of Amazon, but I'm gonna list this one and another one on Amazon. The one I was talking about on Amazon. In the description box down below, I'm gonna list the ring light if I can find it. No, I'm gonna just put the ring light video in the iCloud up above. So you have made it to the end of today's video. I hope that you actually liked this video. I hope that you enjoyed the information and stuff that I had to say. And everything will be linked in the description box down below if you want to check out any tripods, ring lights, anything that I mentioned today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.